Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see at night in Rust. As you can see here, it is currently pitch black. But did you notice that you have a tool right here that can make light? All right, as you can see here at number 2, I have this torch. Now, to be able to use the torch and for you to be able to see at night, just go ahead and click on right click on your mouse. All right, to start the fire. Right here, as you can see, it's much better, and I can see now. As you can see here. And if you do have night vision goggles available in your inventory, you can go ahead and use that. As you can see here, this is a fresh account and I'm new to the server, so I'll only be using the torch for now. That's basically it. If you want to go extra, you have your option right here. If you have, for example, NVIDIA graphics card right here, as you can see, you'll be able to open an NVIDIA control panel. Right here, you can just go ahead and change the color setting. As you can see, we have the option for brightness. As you can see here, you can just go ahead and play around with these toggles right here until you get what you want. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.